Hello there, my name is Precious Iriel, and I want to welcome you to this new course called CSS. Thank you for being with me from the first course, Introduction to HTML or everything about HTML. I believe you've been able to understand what HTML entails, and this is the next step for you to understand how to style your HTML content and HTML elements, and that is the reason for CSS. So you may be asking, what is CSS? Well, this is an introduction. CSS is the language we use to style an HTML document. If you remember our HTML documents previously, they were seriously ugly, but CSS is what is going to bring them to life, make them colorful and beautiful. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. So this tutorial will teach you CSS from basic to advanced. Summary: CSS is a language we use to style a web page. So let's just do a quick rundown. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, and in other media. CSS saves a lot of time. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. And external style sheets are stored in the CSS files. In the next video, we'll be going deep into this. Thank you once again for trusting me. My name is Precious. Over and out.